Okie dokie, day 16 of Advent calendar opening. Let's see, where is 16? There we go, down the bottom. What have we got? Oh, okay, we've got a minifig, and I quite like this. This is the ghost minifig. So that's a cool one. I like that. I do like the ghost ones. I have Moaning Myrtle, which I bought from Bricklink a long time ago. Okay, so this one is the Marvel, day 16, and we get a desk with a computer. Okay, a desk with a computer for Christmas. Awesome. Okay, that's that. Next one, Star Wars, day 16, go. And then we've got, I think it's another ship. No, another ship? Really? Okay. City. Here we go. Come on, City. You can do it. We've got a snowmobile. Okay. Snowmobile. Let's hope it's minifig size and not microfig size. Or am I asking too much? I don't know. Right. Okay. You know the score. Going to build them. Come back. Show you them. Smash the like button. Comment. Subscribe. See you in a bit. Alright. So day 16 done. Another ship for Star Wars. But at least it's got some colour in it. It's got some colour in it. Look. And the motors at the back. Rockets, whatever you want to call them. And the windshield at the front. Yeah, another ship. I do like this. This is very cool. I like these minifigs, the ghost ones. They're awesome. There's something different, so I was quite happy with that. And she has got two faces. One is her singing, and the other is just like a scowling look. I think she's the one. I'm not sure. She might be the one that lets them in. I don't know. Okay, so one chair with no legs. That's really cheap. I'm sorry. And then a desk with a computer, very old style computer, because look at the monitor on that. That's just humongous. Big bulbous one. Okay, so that's the Marvel. Okay, chairs. At least they could have put legs on the chairs or something. And then the City snowmobile is quite cool actually. It's a nice little build. There we go. It's very cool. Your handlebars, your rider, and you can actually put a minifig on the back. And you have a blue helmet to go on your minifig. Whoop, there you go. So that's cool. So yeah, that was good. The minifig was good. The other two, eh. Okay. Right, there we go. I got a pile of stuff over there. You don't want to see it. All right, so like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Show me your support. Really appreciate your support so far. It's been awesome. And I'll see you in day 17.